Watch this video at least once in your life. Today, we are restoring a completely abandoned metallic silver 1996 Hummer H1 that was left inside an old military storage warehouse for years. Dust, rust, and broken parts cover the entire vehicle. At first glance, it looks like nothing more than a forgotten machine. But by the end of this video, this giant SUV will return to factory-new condition, and the transformation you're about to see is incredible. Here it is, a neglected metallic silver 1996 Hummer H1 sitting quietly inside a dusty military warehouse. The tires are flat, rust is forming on bolts and hinges, and thick dust hides the original paint. This once powerful military vehicle now looks completely lifeless, but every great restoration starts the same way, with a careful inspection. The mechanic slowly opens the heavy hood of the metallic silver 1996 Hummer H1. Inside the engine bay, everything is covered in dirt and corrosion. Old hoses are cracked, bolts are rusty, and years of dust sit on every surface. At this stage, the goal is simple. Understand what can be saved and what must be replaced. And before any mechanical work begins, the vehicle needs a deep cleaning. Now the real transformation starts. A powerful pressure washer blasts away years of dirt and mud from the metallic silver 1996 Hummer H1. Thick layers of grime slide down the body panels. Then a foam cannon covers the entire SUV in white foam. Slowly, the original metallic silver paint begins to appear again, but cleaning only reveals the true damage hiding underneath. Now the mechanic begins the full teardown. The massive doors of the metallic silver 1996 Hummer H1 are removed first. Seats are lifted out of the cabin. Interior panels and the dashboard are carefully disassembled piece by piece. This step is extremely important because a full restoration requires every component to be inspected and rebuilt. With the interior removed, years of dust and debris are vacuumed from the cabin. Steam cleaning removes stains and old dirt from every surface. Slowly, the inside of the metallic silver 1996 Hummer H1 begins to look alive again. But while the interior improves, the real challenge is hidden in the metal structure of the vehicle: rust. Using an angle grinder, the mechanic begins removing rust from the steel frame of the metallic silver 1996 Hummer H1. Sparks fly as damaged metal is cleaned and reshaped. Some sections are too far gone, so fresh steel patches are welded into place. This restores the strength of the vehicle's body and frame. Now it's time to work on the heart of the machine, the engine. A hydraulic hoist slowly lifts the heavy engine from the chassis of the metallic silver 1996 Hummer H1. On the workbench, the engine is completely disassembled. Pistons are removed, old seals are replaced, and every part is carefully cleaned. Piece by piece, the engine begins to look brand new again. Next comes the undercarriage restoration. The chassis of the metallic silver 1996 Hummer H1 is pressure washed to remove grease and mud. New brake components are installed. Heavy-duty shock absorbers are mounted to rebuild the suspension system. This ensures the vehicle will perform just like it did when it first left the factory. Now attention turns to the body panels. Dents are slowly pulled out of the metal. Body filler smooths damaged surfaces and restores the original shape of the metallic silver 1996 Hummer H1. Once the body is perfectly aligned, the entire surface is sanded, first with coarse sanding tools, then with fine sanding for a perfectly smooth finish. Now the most exciting visual transformation begins. A protective anti-rust primer is sprayed across the entire body of the metallic silver 1996 Hummer H1. This prepares the surface for the new paint. Then the metallic silver base coat is applied in multiple layers. With every pass of the spray gun, the vehicle begins to look new again. After the paint dries, a glossy clear coat is applied. This protective layer gives the metallic silver 1996 Hummer H1 its deep reflective shine. Once cured, the paint is polished using professional buffing machines until the surface reflects light like a mirror. Now the vehicle is ready to be rebuilt. Fresh leather seats are installed inside the cabin. A restored dashboard is placed back into position. New carpet lines the floor. Doors, glass, and headlights are reinstalled. Massive off-road wheels and tires are mounted onto the SUV. The metallic silver 1996 Hummer H1 is now almost complete. Only one moment remains. The mechanic sits inside the restored vehicle and turns the ignition key. For a brief moment, everything is silent. Then suddenly, the engine roars to life. After a full rebuild, the legendary machine is alive again. Under bright studio lights, the fully restored metallic silver 1996 Hummer H1 stands proudly. The paint is flawless. The interior looks brand new. Every mechanical component has been rebuilt. What was once an abandoned military vehicle is now a showroom-quality masterpiece. And that is the power of a full car restoration. If you enjoyed watching this transformation, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more legendary car restorations. And tell me in the comments, which car should we restore next?